Tax return extensions, something we'll see in a few other lessons, just want to cover them as well. Individual taxpayers may request an extension to file their income tax return by submitting this form. Don't really worry about what form that is. The extension is going to provide you an additional 6 months to file the return. So what's our date? April 15th, obviously for sure know that. And then also the extension date is October 15th. Now, as we know, if April 15th falls on a weekend, it's going to be the Monday after. Don't really need to worry about that. I mean, it could be the Tuesday after. I've seen that. It's not really your job to worry about that, but a quick Google for your particular year will let you know when your taxes are due. And this is 6 months after. It's important to note that an extension, it does provide you more time to file, but it does not provide more time to pay any taxes owed. Now, why would you extend? Let's say you own a business, you want more time to calculate your deductions, or you make an estimate. You could overpay. You could definitely overpay the government. And then when you eventually do file your taxes, if the little TurboTax calculation up top determines, hey, you don't owe any money, you actually get a refund, there won't be any penalties. But the thing is, if that amount that you get, let's say you do it in July or something, you do it well before October, it doesn't matter, but maybe you do it October 15th. Whenever you do that calculation, if it says you owe money, well, you're going to have penalties because you owe money on April 15th. They want it then. So it's up to you to estimate it, calculate it. That is something to for sure know for the exam. Penalties and interest, right? Every day that passes, more interest racks up. It's important to remember that while an extension can provide more time to file, it may not be the best option for every taxpayer. If a taxpayer expects to owe taxes, like if you expect to get a large refund, sure, do it. Go for it. The government's thanking you because they get to hold on to your money with a nice interest-free loan for longer. But if you expect to owe taxes, it's generally best to estimate the amount owed and pay it by the original filing deadline to avoid penalties and interest. Additionally, if you have a refund coming, filing as soon as possible may allow you to receive your refund sooner. There's many reasons you do an extension. Maybe you don't have all your proper forms, you're waiting on something. It's not really important for the exam why you do an extension, but if you do an extension, this is what you need to know.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.